Yeah, this isn't the first time I'm playing this. This is the third time I'm playing this. I mean, I just started the day before yesterday, and now I'm this. As you can pretty say that I did a lot of grinding. I mean, a lot of. Look at how many bees do I have. I have 16 bees, and I've discovered 17 types of bees. And this is how I actually do it. First thing, I buy this basic egg. That's a lot of money. Second, I place the basic egg in my hive. Like I place it here. Then I go to my eggs and use the royal jellies on them. And if I get do it until I get a new one. And as you can see, I have this many bees, and I have 17 discovered types. So, my objective, this is like the speedrun videos you've seen. I need to fill my container one. I need to complete the Bear Botany step and do lucky landscaping. So, let's do the lucky landscaping first because that's probably the first thing we need to do. You know what, I'm first just to like beat the spider. Because defeating a spider is on our list. Sup, spider boy? Sup? Bye. This is okay. You just killed yourself. That's what I call. Just stop giving me, huh? My bees are so annoying. Okay, now that I've completed the 2 spiders, I'm gonna do the clovers. Why? Get out of here, Ladybug. No one invited you to the special party. And you're dead. Thanks for the gumdrop, though. How do you even did bees get the bug? Oh, there's a bear task, a bear task, a bear task, a bear task, a bear task. Sundance. That's easy. Okay, new task. Do the brown bear Sundance. You know what? I'm gonna do it right now. I mean, it's kind of easy. I mean, 10,000 only. My backpack can weigh 60,000. Lovely, thank you. I remember last time I was just like, I was AFK auto-clicking grinding here, and the next thing I know, I just look at my screen for 1 second and there's a big monster literally chasing me in this dandelion field. Guess it was a event one, an event thingy. It was named something like Adrilian, and it was chasing me and doing a lot of damage. I did not die though, but like it was still scary. I mean, that thing is like a green monster with 2 legs, like basically a ladybug, but without the wings, and it's very green. It's just like green, and it has red eyes and 2 antennas, and it has a timer on top, just like the Wendy bee. Bro, it's so close. Come on, yes. Now I need to go here. Sunflower field? Yes. I mean, you can identify any field by just looking at it. I haven't been to the werewolf field, but I think that's the werewolf field, unless they update it, because I haven't gone to the werewolf field anytime soon. Should I just go there right now? I really want to see the werewolf. Stop cannoning yourself. The bee is out of energy, and the bomber bee is out of energy. Then how am I getting bombs? Bro, a honey storm. Bro, thank you for whoever did this. I need honey, give me that, brother, give me that. Give me all the honey money. Honey storm, yes. Give me. No, it ended so fast. Okay, the brown bear will give me now the tickets and the royal jelly. If I just complete this final showdown, I'll get a silver egg, but that's not our task for today. I'll allow my bees to do this while I go talk to Mr. Brown Bear over here. Sup? 6. Complete 4 more and I'll give you 5 microconverters. And if you complete 19 more, I'll give you a silver egg. I haven't quite finished. Yo, bees! Yo! What was that sound? I heard a sound. What the? I hear something. Whose bees are this? These bees just come out of nowhere and... What? Oh my jeez! The freaking... The ladybug and rhino beetle time came up and they just jump scared me. So rude, man. Okay, we have done one task here. We have to do this, and then and the lucky landscaping, and we have to complete our. You know what? I'm gonna do the lucky landscaping in some other day. I'm gonna just do this. I mean the dandelion field. I already have 10,000 of that. Pulse, look at this for a second. I mean, this has a green beam on it. Give me that. Bubblebee, thank you. Now I'll explode this. The bubble is just like a bomb. Ain't it? Should I just buy a basic egg soon? Hey yo, look at it! It's a newbie! Hello, Mr. Newbie. I didn't say newbie instead of newbie. How can't I collect? I already beat the commando trick, but I don't want to go in there again. I mean, it gets more and more health. Before it just had 250, now it has 2,000. There's no way I can beat that instead of... Bro, it's the commando bee. How many bees do I have? I have Looker bee, Haste bee, Bomber bee, and and what do I have? I have a Rascal bee, I have Rat bee, Stubborn bee, and Rage bee, and Brave bee, and Fire bee, and what else do I have? Frosty bee, yes, Frosty bee. And what else do I have? Bucko bee, and then you know what? I'm gonna stop counting. Come on, just complete this. It's so close. I bet my bees can do the work now. I'm not even gonna do a thing, and it's just gonna be done. Stop yaying! Stop it, man! Now I did not expect that. I'll just sneak it. I have 1 million honey in total? You're kidding? Yo, 3 extra bombs! Let's go more. I need more bombs. Oh, another honey storm? Nobody saw. Do honey storms happen randomly? No way! What? Give me! Give me! This is the second honey storm in this video. Thank you. Hey, yo, there's a honey over there. No! No! Give me that speed. Yes. I have 3 extra speed. Haste. Give me more speed. Give me more freaking speed. Give me more! No, I'm gonna slow down. Yes. 4 extra. I should have more haste bees. Yes, 5 extra. Let's go. Oh, 6 extra. Yo, I'm super fast. Yes. Give me more. Yes, 7 extra. I need just more. I need more speed. Need for speed. Come on, please, give me speed. Haze bees. Yes, 8 extra. OMG. Where even is the haze bee? I'm going so fast I can't even find it. Please. No! Friggin'! Oh, it's so close. Where's the... It was in the rose field. You're kidding me. What is actually in the rose field? Okay, I'm gonna do a new thing. My objective is to beat whatever is in the rose field and a werewolf. I'm just adding more objectives. Someone is dropping gumdrops in the rose field. I don't even know what's in the rose field. What's in the cave? That's totally a werewolf. Ah, yes. I knew it's a werewolf. What the? It whacked himself on the cactus. You can't catch me. You can't. You just can't, man. You give up. He's stuck in the cactus. Wait, let's make him stuck on the pumpkin. Yeah, you can jump. Yeah, you can. This is so unfair, yo, chill, man. Chill. You can't even jump, my guy. Oh, hell no. You can't come up here. Oh, you can't come up there. No way if he jumps here. There's no way. He does not know how to jump. What's up, werewolfie? Okay, he's on the pumpkin. Yeah, that is a lot of damage. You can't come there. What? Okay, I don't want to beat pants. Jesus, get me out of there. Okay, Rosefield. Ooh, what's over here? I know something's in the rose field. Yes, what's in here? Scorpions? Ew, they look disgusting! Everyone just took them out in like 1.5 seconds. I can go over here. What? What is this? What? What did it do? Now it boosts for 15 minutes? That's useful. Vicious bee! It's the pepper patch? Where's the pepper patch? Wherever is the pepper patch, I know I can't go there. Because I've never heard of the pepper. Oh, it's in there. I literally see it. Hello? Gifted Riley Bee? Can I see if there's a blue field booster too? What is this? There's no blue field booster. Okay, you're kidding me. Lawyer! Gifted. Okay, man. What the heck? That gave me so much! How do I have 3 extra? Wait, what? What? That literally gave me more than my backpack. How? Get this thing out. You know what? Why make honey when one of my tasks are also completed? Why bother to make honey when you can just do this? I need to get there quick. That literally gives me like it showed a 15 numbers. No way. Just my imagination. Okay. I went crazy there. That was a lot. Literal a lot. I guess my B's numbers went with my numbers. Like, look at that. Look, okay. Bro, my back munched to Jewelball. Botany is done. What the? Is there some kind of white field booster? Or every single field booster? If there is, I'm gonna be so happy right now. I haven't went to see the mantises at the pineapple patch. Ah, dang it, my phone camera is full. Why should I even waste tickets on this? I already have 14 royal jellies. Before I actually wanted a lot of them. Now I want none. Another honey storm? I'm gonna do the same thing again. Oh, come on! 8 minutes? There's no point in waiting on 8 minutes. I need just 35,000 more. Is that correct? Yes, it's correct. I haven't used the honey gen. It's just gonna make me faster and give me honey. Thanks for the speed. Bro, you can't beat the bomber. What? Bro, why are they shaking? If a number is bigger than 50, it just starts shaking. Or 65. 185 did not shake. How did I even get that much? Wait, can I buy a basic egg? There's no way I will waste my money on that, but who even cares? I mean, I want more bees. Can I buy a basic egg? Please, please, please. By the way, you can also, yes! So 40,000 money worth it. Bumblebee? Wait, is this a new one? Is this new? Do I already have a Bumblebee, don't I? Yes, I do have already a Bumblebee. No. Yes, Exhausted Bee. To just celebrate it, I'm gonna give him every single thing I have. What else should I give him? My treats. What did I even give? I want to give him treat. Give him every single treat, man. Give him every single treat. Oh, freaking come on. It's so close. Yes! Now the last thing I need to do is talk to the bears. I sprout up here at the cactus patch. If that's how you say it. Nice job, Doofy. Now now go to the science fair. Should I teleport or walk or slingshot? Teleport is the best idea. Okay, never mind. You have to go a long way to get to the red one. Transport it. Go, 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 go. And buy it. Yo, bro, so much honey. That's a lot, man. Spider field. Okay, I'm going this time. I'm freaking going this time. I don't even care. I don't wanna even beat this rhino beetle. You guys can just beat it. Yes, good. I stood for it. I need a treat. Go there quick. These players have the vicious beat. And look at the spider, it's coming for me. Give me that thing. Beat the vicious bee! Yo, we got it so fast. How? 2 stingers? You're kidding me. How many stingers do I even have? I have 14 stingers and I need 250. Is it nighttime? Yo, the moon bees will come right now. I have 9. Oh, okay, that's not my number. I have 22 moon charms. Where are the? Yo, it's there right here. Give me that. Bro, just give me that. It's so hard to moon amulet. Every time you get it, the bees come again. Bro, how do I even get them? Moon amulet, you're gonna come when I do this? Yes? Where are they now? No, it's daytime. You're kidding me. Alright guys, so that was it for the video. Hope you enjoyed and bye.